Hello, this is Eric from labofcoding.com. I welcome you to this course, which is an introduction to the Python programming language. Python is a popular and powerful programming language which has been in use for over 20 years now. It has found applications in many areas, and if you're interested to learn it, this is the right place for you. By the end of this course, you'll be comfortable with developing using Python, from which point you can take your knowledge even to more advanced things in Python. The Python website is www.python.org, and I have opened it in my browser here, Mozilla. On this website, you will find useful information concerning Python itself, the history, and various tools that you can use in your Python development. So Python is an easy to learn yet powerful programming language. It was created by Guido Vorosam around 1991, and the name Python is a tribute to the British comedy group known as Monty Python. Maybe some of the reason why you should learn Python, or why Python is a good language to learn if you're starting out your programming journey, because first, it's easy to learn, and yet it's very powerful. Also, it's free and open source. You don't have to pay anything to install Python in your system, and it's open source. So if you become quite productive with Python and you feel that you can contribute to the language itself, you can do that. It's open source. Anyone can contribute as far as they have the necessary skills. Also, Python is well suited for rapid application development. You can easily develop application quickly in Python, and it's one of the reasons why it's popular. Also, it has a huge set of libraries, and it has found application in many fields, from web development, data science. So if you have this as your career path, you can consider Python for that. It can be applied in web development, data science, and so forth. Also, it's widely popular, and for that reason it's easy to find a job. So you can learn Python, and there are excellent opportunities for you to get a job as a Python developer. We have various versions of Python. Version 1, which was the initial release, then version 2, also known as Python 2, which was released in 2000 with many additional features to version 1. Then we have version 3, also known as Python 3, the current version, which was released in 2008. Unfortunately, Python 3 is not backward compatible with Python 2. That means if you write your code in Python 2, it may not work as expected, or it may not work at all in Python 3. So the end of life for Python 2 is 2020. That is, past 2020, Python 2 will not be receiving active support from the Python developers and Python community. So it's recommended to use Python 3, and that is the version that we'll use in this course. So what you will need to follow along in this course comfortably is a basic knowledge of programming languages. That is, what is a programming language, what do they do, and so forth. Also, you'll need a machine where you can write your code, and maybe a cup of coffee, probably. So that's it. We'll pick it from this. Thanks for watching.